Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel, and we are gonna discuss Mullen again. It's been a couple of days now. I did not expect the last time we discussed Mullen here that we would already be below 50 cents today. Now I did say 50 cents was kind of my bottom here, um, was the last point where I had some buy orders ready. For that scenario we had from the 2021-2022 run up to times 10. Now that seems very, very unlikely at this point, as we did drop below a crucial 50-cent level. Also, it was like the last level of options that were potentially in the money to 50-cent calls. And as you can see, yeah, we had the drop here. We dropped below the 50 cents, and that triggered basically moved down to already 46 cents. It's terrible. And to be honest, a reverse split is getting closer again. Not looking good, not looking good at all. Now, I am glad that for myself, I decided to not listen to all the crap, all the rumors, all the fake news anymore. I'm just not going to listen to that anymore. It's just all false hope at this point to me. I only will respond or make videos on actually verified and official press releases by the company and not just some fake rumors. So what's next for the stock? Now we did drop below the crucial 50 cents. Now there is still the trend line we have, and as the stock has gone down so aggressively, um, that low point is currently at around, gotta make it a little precise here, at around 35 cents at this stage if you would follow this trend line right here. Now that is the bottom, and the top at this moment is the trend line and the 20-day, which is currently at around 80 cents, and the 20-day is at 91 cents. So I mean, at this stage, in my opinion, there is currently no other trigger at this stage than the 20-day, and I hope that we can get the trigger before a potential reverse split. But if that doesn't happen, if dilution continues, if they are printing more shares, at some point there might be no other option than another reverse split at this stage, because we do need to come back above the $1 at some point within the next couple of months. So at this stage, that will be hard. Also, the volume, as you can see on the daily, is still very high compared to, for example, the pre-split yesterday was almost a record volume of 78 million, and the stock went down 14%, now down 10%. Basically, I feel like people are giving up at this moment at this stock. And we all have the saying, be greedy when others are fearful, and the other way around. But I mean, there's just no guessing anymore where the bottom is. I did have a few bottoms in the past, um, but I mean, all those bottoms were being followed by lower bottoms. At this stage, it's hard to say a bottom. I mean, we could say it would be potentially the low part of this trend line at around 35, 40 cents, but that will get lower every day as well. So at this point, it's just waiting for reversal. I would not, and this is my personal opinion, not financial advice, but I would personally not add any more shares at this stage, as there's simply no bottom anymore. We first really need to see a reversal, see a green candle up, I know, plus 20, plus 30% day before we can become positive again. Now, to get back to this area right here, which was kind of our hope, this scenario. I mean, it could still happen. It could still happen that at some point the bottom wasn't at 50 cents, but let's say 40 cents. But we are waiting for the day like this and the eventual break of that 20-day to get the move, to get the trigger. So if you are thinking about adding shares, opening a new position, I would definitely wait for the cross of the 20-day moving average before adding or opening any more shares of Mullen. Now, this is kind of the plan for now, so I'm just going to be waiting for that break of 20-day. And will it be triggered by news or anything else? I don't really care at this stage. The only thing I know is that that's kind of the thing we are waiting for right now. And until then, Just gotta wait where the bottom is. Could be here, could even be at 30 cents, 20 cents, could even be after a reverse plate. Of course, we hope it wouldn't come that far. The only positive thing I could think of for a reverse split at some point is that the float will be reduced, less shares tradable, so that maybe a potential squeeze later on would be easier as the shares are like more rare. But I mean, at this stage, nothing to say on where the bottom is. Sorry, I was hoping for some more positive. For now, let's focus on crossing that 20-day at some point and then get the run up to the 50-day, which at this stage is a nice increase. If it would happen right now, it would be a very nice increase of around times 3, times 4. Until then, it's a waiting game. Please in the comments let me know what you think about Mullen, if you still see a future for Mullen with or without the reverse. But also, please let me know in the comments if you want to see other shares discussed. I gladly discuss other stocks on this channel. Also, we're getting close to 100 subs, so I am thinking of maybe doing a live session um, when I hit the 100, when I get to 100 subs, do a live session, and you can ask me questions, and we're going to discuss some stocks live, a bit more interaction with you guys. Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe if you haven't done yet, and I hope to see you all the next video.